Hey there everyone, Bad Mark with MacTech here again. Listen, I just wanted to do a quick video. I shared a picture on Reddit of my Switch collection and had a lot of questions, but a lot of people were very interested in this Switch, which is the Feker, F-E-K-E-R, Airy Switch. Now, for some reason, now I did order this actually back in October, and I had completely forgotten about it, and it just arrived this week. Um, but it appears to be out of stock pretty much everywhere now. So I hadn't read too much about it and got a pretty good deal on a bag of 110. They're pretty scratchy stock. Unfortunately, I should have kept one stock, but I didn't. I've already lubed and oiled the springs on all of these. So, I mean, it's a pretty good linear, especially for the price. I believe I paid just a little over $30 on AliExpress for a bag of 110. They're 67-gram linears, and I just wanted to do a quick sound test because there doesn't seem to be too many out there. I don't know if this is just an old Switch or if it's been discontinued or they're just don't have too much stock of it right now. But I find it actually a decent Switch. It's not bad, especially for the price. So just a quick sound test.